All right. But yeah, so when we were going through the underground cave, we were trying to get to like the underground activities. But what they do, which was kind of crazy to me, is you go through the cave, then you end up outside the cave and you're going up. So you have to go onto a slide to get into the underground cave. So once you're off the slide in the underground cave, then you go through like the little rivers, everything like that. So the first river just had a lot of like the blue lights. That was the first river. Then the second river was the mud river underground.
Yeah, no, that
Woody,
was
good
really
morning.
cool.
So it was interesting. It was definitely a fun experience. I got push out. I'm trying to push out another video today for the other part for
Just do me a
explore.
favor on that voiceover when your girl did the voiceover
Yeah,
at
it was
the
mad
end.
low.
On the short, it was like proper,
Yeah,
but always try to blend that because it's like shocking and it was low. And so I would like to just see like more, um, yeah, wetting it up. Add a little reverb, add a little gain. Come on,
I
come on,
got you. I got
come
you,
on.
Steve. I got you.
And then that other thing that was really cool. That big like, um, that big optical illusion where you're like walking up the street, walking down the street. That was wild.
Yeah, it played with your head so hard when I was walking because like visually it looks like you're walking up a hill,
Mm-hmm.
but you're not walking up a hill. So it
And
was
then and then the water's going the other way, so you're really like, what?
yeah. You're just trying to figure out what's actually going on. All right, how could I close that out? Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. I'm trying. There we go. Trying to get these streams so I can see all the chats. All right. Get the vertical check. All right. Let me refresh this, and we should be good to go now. Let's see. Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. I need Betsy already this morning. It's still not showing me. Let's do a test. Well, we should have some fun today in the markets, just from how everything's looking so far.
I was putting in my daily loss limit on my broker account, and so
Yeah.
like for example, it says like if you put in, like $500, but I put in 500, and I was like gonna put the period and a 00, so it's like daily loss limit $50,000.
Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want to do that. Like,
this is actually my money, so it'd be like that. How many contracts you trade? My man G told me to trade all of them at once, man.
that'd be horrible. That'd be horrible. Why is this not working? Gotta love it. Gotta love when technology is just not.
Gotta love it.
Alrighty. So okay, let me pull up. So where are we at right now? On the EMA.
Oh,
21
it says
EMA
already
is 25.
added.
25,505.02 on Ninja.
You're talking about pivots?
No, I'm talking about my 21 EMA in the 2 minute.
Okay.
It's 25,505.56 right now.
I have my 21 EMA sitting at 506.
Okay, cool.
So we should be, like I said, that yesterday.
Look, we have a minute. Listen to me. We're cleaning the house here. 25,433 is the VWAP.
Yeah, I'm trying to get this other thing fixed right now.
G is gonna get funded today. We already talked about it.
Okay. Let's go, G. Let's get this money.
The thing is, he's already gone. That's like an old picture of him. That's a video loop. He's already gone.
All right, found 2. I don't get why this is not letting me see all my chats together.
And I'll just calm down until you call the stats. Now I was just having fun.
No,
Sorry.
you're good. You're
Wait.
good. Like
Sorry.
I streamed last night with no issues, but now all of a sudden, trying to get this, and it's not showing me one of my chats. Oh well. Well, I'll just have to pull up on my phone so I can see all at the same time here. All right, where's my screen? Where's my screen?
So which one is like? I know you have the multiple screens. Are you gonna migrate to one, or is there enough action on both of them that you're gonna keep them?
Oh, right now I'm keeping them. I honestly, I just need to finish. It's not even about finishing. I just need to do it because I know what I want, but I've been hesitant because I didn't want to lose my Renko bars the way I have them. Alrighty, so overnight high we have at 25,522.75. The low for the session for that overnight, let's see. All the way down there, 25,324.75. And then we have the close from yesterday, 25,399.75. 399.75.
So what? I'm sorry. Was the 25,411? What was that?
411. I didn't say 411. I said 25,022.75. That's the high so far for today.
I just have a white line at 411, so I was wondering if we knew what that was about.
411. I don't see a 411 on my charts currently.
Okay,
I have 399.75. Let me jump on the Ninja, see if they're trying to say something over there.
Yeah, I'm on the Ninja, so I was just curious what the 411 was lining up on.
Okay, the 25,411 on Ninja, that's the current open.
Mm. We gotta slay it.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
And there's no news today, but there's three news events tomorrow. 8:15. What is 8? I know there's one 8:15.
Yeah, so tomorrow we have 8:15, 9:45, and 10 o'clock for the news tomorrow. So that should get pretty good for us, not gonna lie.
Well, I just feel like it's putting along, so we need to get out of that general malaise. We need to like kick it.
Then we have yesterday's high as well at 25,495.75. Just so you guys know, 25,495.75 for the high for yesterday.
All right, we got 30 seconds till market open, everybody.
Be careful. Don't rush into anything.
Order
Let's
fill.
take it one step at a time a day. One step at a time. Now I'm not even watching right now because I don't want to FOMO into a trade right away.
He's actually talking at half tempo. So, can you give us? I know you're gonna like it'll be partially a surprise, but can you give us a preview of what your vision is for the streaming when you finally make it?
Yeah, well, I'm gonna be setting up a dual setup up here because I love Apple. I love my Mac. So I'm gonna have a PC and a Mac setup up here. Oh, want to have probably a 32 to 42 inch screen horizontal, and then I want to have one vertical screen as on the side.
Well done, right?
All right, that's cool.
Because I got plenty of desk space for it. So
No, you're a baller. We know that.
I want it all. I want it all. All right, market is open.
The only thing I will tell you because I was an early adopter of big monitors and stuff is sometimes there can be too much real estate, so you got to kind of figure out. Just saying.
Yep, that's what.
That's a highly personal thing. So, but I mean, it's kind of like a big TV. You're like, yes, but you're sitting like across a room from the TV.
Fact,
it's like front row at the Echoplex. You're like, I can't see Chuck Norris.
Yeah, I just want to, when I do set it up, I just want to have it. I don't want too vertical for the one screen because I want to have like certain like charts on the vertical, just certain things that I'm looking at, and then like my main, what I'm looking straight at, that's what I'm gonna be like charting everything like that.
Hey, y'all see that bear flag on the 2 minute?
Bear flag on, I do see it, but we got that crazy long wick.
Yeah,
that's the only thing for me. Ballot. We don't have a Discord. We have a private community. Click the link in the bio. Join the founders group, completely free. It's our version of the Discord, just with more options. All right, so we're currently waiting. I'm like, no order filled. See, don't do me dirty like that. Not today, sir. Not today. Oh.
And then within 15 seconds, that's an easy 1100, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking low. Your captain speaking. I'm gonna make about $3,000 today on this account, and then cruise to an altitude of 45,000 feet. And then we're gonna hit another account and make another $7,000.
Hey, if we make 7,000, I'm happy with that. I'm just trying this month. I want this month to be my best month of the year, roll into 2026. So it could just keep it going. You know what I'm saying? Just want to keep it going. So today I'm going to exercise extreme patience. Extreme patience.
Speaking of exercising, did you get to the gym yesterday after you went to the DMV?
I did get to the gym yesterday. It was a solid workout. I had forced myself to go in because I went at a time, because from the DMV to the gym, it took me a little bit longer to get there.
Oh yeah, so it's like
it was busy. It was crazy. It was a zoo in there. It was a zoo.
But whenever he saw you, like, D, you're here, and you're just like, yeah.
All right, no trades yet. No trades yet. It's only been 4 minutes, gentlemen. So literally no rush. No rush to get into the markets yet. The trigger finger is itchy. It is itchy, but
move that mouse. Now you're starting to look like you're trading stuff.
No, not trade. I'm just looking at this 2 minute over here. Let me pull up start looking at the Rincos, because I'm looking at this one right now just so that way I'm not getting like overzealous. I want to jump in here. because it sometimes happens. It sometimes happens. Look at this push right now.
Well, it made a new high, so we're gonna be stair stepping.
Are we going to rally up before Christmas, or are we going to pump up to dump? That's the question. Whenever you're getting closer to the end of the year, it always starts. It sometimes acts funny. But look at this push up. That's why we didn't go short when we thought we had a bear flag starting to print. We had that long wick. We had that long wick of the buyers trying to push it up. So I want to see us actually get like a clean flag. Because staying out the market right now, not gonna lie, easier said than done. Easier said than done. That's why I'm crossing my arms just looking at this bad boy.
I cannot believe it.
I know. I'm trying to roll in with good into the new year with good habits. You know what I'm saying?
Oh wait, you can put your hand right back on the mouse. Get that hand away from him. Get that, Mr. Bad Habits. He's like, oh, fucking.
The FOMO is real. We got that pivot point above us.
Morning, Moose.
56625. So it looks like, oh, look at that pump. Crazy. And this thing is just, look at the Renko bars right now. Just straight up. Gotta love it. Let's see if we come down and retest this pivot point. Maybe we'll get a spot where we could jump in here.
Did you take anything?
No, sir. Trying to stay locked in. You know what I'm saying? Like, order filled. Order filled.
I've had a talk with myself all day yesterday. You have no idea how mad I am.
Why are you mad?
Because I'm breaking all my rules, all my own rules about trading.
Yeah.
I'm breaking all of them. Like, just man, I sound real frustrated, right?
Well, that's okay. That happens to every trader. First off.
Yeah, but it's not like. See, the thing is, right? What gets me mad is that it's not like I don't know what I'm doing, right? I get like, oh shit, I get excited, right?
Yeah.
And then rather than stick to my rules, stay disciplined, right? Because that's what obviously has helped me achieve certain things, right? On trading. I'm more like, oh, well, it's coming down a little bit. Let me take a little scalp. Let me do this. And I'm like, no, man, because the scalps are for me, like the way I trade, it's a little bit more risky trying to just go with the flow rather than looking at candle formation. You feel me?
Yeah.
So I'm breaking all of my rules because my way of trading is a little different.
Hey, wait, you just wrote a rap song. Yo, I'm breaking all the rules, man.
And man, I'm just kicking myself in the butt. Yesterday, I'm telling you, the whole entire day, I was just like, I was so mad. So what the hell am I doing, bro? It's like, I'm like doing like beginner stuff, just like chasing, not looking at structure, not nothing.
Yeah.
The main thing every one of us goes through, because we're all looking at it from our own perspective. And what I found is like, it's like you got to recalibrate, because you get it, and there's certain things you learn, like riding a bike, and you're good. But this, because there's so much emotion involved, it's like you like Duane was teaching, like lock in your gains. And that's why I've been trying to lock in my gains. I've been trying to trust myself, because that's another thing. Is like I'll sit, I should take it. No, I'm gonna wait for more confirmation, and I'll hit the end of a run.
Yeah.
So, I mean, but it's like each of us are calibrating every second.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're just all grateful that we have the this guy here that's sitting here, like with his hand on the mouse.
My hand is on the mouse. Hand is on the mouse. Not going front.
Yeah.
We're right. I want to get through the 600 level. I want to get through the 600. That whole number for that 600. So want to get through there. to see us to potentially just keep pumping. Like, this is going to be a massive opening range today. Because we still got time for this 15-minute range.
Hey,
and this is going to be a big
my
one.
Zone, the bottom of my zone is 666, 667.
Okay.
Where's yours? Is it about the same?
I don't have zones on my chart, so.
Well, what you call like a 15-minute, you know?
Yep, the low of this 15. Let me go all the way down to it. It's all the way down at 471.25.
Hey, the VWAP on the 15-minute I put on there yesterday, it's almost like a vertical line because of this range. It's like, phew.
Yeah, we're going to have a massive range today. Trying to be patient. It's a no news Tuesday. So with that being said, we just got to be mindful of our executions today.
Let's get in, make our money, get out. And then I want my goal. There's two goals actually I have by the end of the day. I want to close in the green on all my accounts, and I want Moose to talk to himself in a happy way after the trading session.
You have no idea how mad I am.
Well, listen.
What happened, Moose?
I get being frustrated, but don't be mad. Right? Don't be mad only because, like I always say, trading, it's a learning experience each and every day. So for you, right, you notice yourself breaking your own rules, right?
Yeah.
So you just have to work on your personal discipline to stay out. Like for me personally, I wanted to jump in on this trade for this push up this morning. Only in an eval, not trading the funded until 9:45. But I've told myself I gotta refocus myself because my best trading has always been when I wait for after 9:45.
Yeah.
Where, yes, I'll have some days where I may hit real quick before the first 15, but I'll end up I'll get a nice little lick in one account, then get in drawdown in another because I'm rotating my accounts in that first 15. So for me now, I'm just waiting to see what happens. Because we're all here to make money. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason why we're all here.
Absolutely.
And with that being said, I made the most money when I've actually just waited till 9:45.
That's why you made that rule.
That is why I made the rule. I was breaking my own rule. You know what I'm saying? So I've been there. I've done it.
But look, you like a flag, and look at that flag that's forming on every
time frame. Yep.
Patience, fellas, patience.
Yes, sir. That's all this is, and that's the hardest thing when you see the market moving, right? It makes you want to jump in because you feel like you're missing out. That's the FOMO.
Yeah, but the thing is, like, there's a guy that I follow, Legacy Wealth, LWS, by the way, code of Tradeify, and that guy says the market always
repeats itself.
Hey, I'm sorry, my connection dropped. Could you say it again?
Oh, Steve, I got you. The market always repeats itself, John.
People in the back.
Oh, come on.
And for the people in the back of the class, the market always repeats itself, people. Like, that's why we got to work on ourselves to let us realize we're not missing out. Because there's tons of opportunities each trading session to get into the markets.
That's right. And you know what? On the inverse of that, I found there's many more opportunities not to get in the market. Because one of the revelations you gave me was it's, akin to robbing a bank. You know what I mean? It's just like, and no, I'm not really going to rob a bank, anybody. But it's like you don't put up the liability of, like, just jumping in for the sake of it. You got to plan something out.
Yep, you got to plan it out. And you don't want to just sit around once you rob the bank of the market. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not going to sit there in a trade up $1,000 and be like, oh, I want more. No. Close out, lock it in, because it's not in your account until you lock it in. So it could go up $10,000, and until you close, you don't have $10,000. So until you lock in the profit, you don't got nothing. That's why for me, I don't care if I close out early. Does it suck sometimes when you see the market just absolutely continue on without you? 100%. But this is a numbers game, gentlemen. How often can you win consistently? That's all we're doing here.
That's right.
Looking like a really nice bull flag on the 2 minute, same on the 1 minute. It is a 9:45 as well.
Hey, look at the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5. I got both of those pulled up. I want to see some strong momentum here now to take us higher so I can take along. It's consolidating right now. So I just, Moose, just to help you, I just did not jump into a trade right there because what I've noticed, I've jumped in a lot over the past like couple weeks when it starts to consolidate.
Yep, I've done the same thing.
So for me, my eyes just spotted the consolidation. I was ready to click the button, but my eyes saw the consolidation, so I chose not to jump in.
And then, you know what's happened to me? Like, I'm like, oh, it's consolidating. It's going to break out. It goes a little bit higher. I jump in, and I'm like, let's say I'm up like $50, right? Rather than taking my $50, I'm like, it's going to go up a little more.
Yep.
Like, I'm down 800, and then I'm like, what the fuck?
But look, if I would have gone long up there,
yeah,
You would have been.
I would have been in drawdown right now.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm telling you, it's just I just got to stick to my rules, man.
Yeah. Your rules that you put into play for yourself are only to help you.
Absolutely.
And that's what you have to trust in. You have to trust that those rules are actually going to help you.
Yeah. Exactly.
That's all you got to do. You know what I'm saying? I know it's easier said than done.
Yeah, I mean, the thing is, the biggest thing that I could explain about, like, to me, is it's like trying to walk like in faith, because somebody could have a great day, but there's always gonna be things that are gonna try you, and you have to. It's like working out. If you lift once, you say I can bench this, and you don't go back to the gym for a year. Yeah, you're talking fiction. You know what I mean? So it's just like. You got to put in the time every day to that goal.
We got that massive wick right there. So there's still tons of buying pressure right now.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to start seeing that momentum continue green so I could go long here. I'm not just trying to jump in. Just trying to be skillful. Because we almost came down and touched that pivot point. We did not touch it.
Hey, Duane, my next 15-minute zone or area, I don't know what you call it, but mine is, like I told you, 676, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is yours? That's my next resistance.
Bear with me. I'm in a trade right now.
Oh.
Yeah, I may need to close it.
Bear with me.
It's dropping a little bit. Sorry to rain in your parade. No, it's the worst. Being in a trade and oh man.
Just got stopped out right there. First stab in the markets for the day. Just got stabbed out, but I did not. That's not my funded. So now that I clicked the button for the first time for the day, now I'll rotate over to the funded and definitely size down.
Sweaty palms, right? Sweaty palms.
No sweaty palms over here, sir.
Oh,
ew.
Hope there's no nice females on this chat. I'll blame it on Steve.
All right, just switched over to one of my fundeds. All right, so moves to what you were asking. Right now, we're still in this 15-minute range. Yeah. First target for me to the upside would be up at 684.
we're about the same. That'll be the top of my. I don't know what did you call it? Your what?
That's my first target,
Yeah, your first
684.
target. Yeah.
Now look at that. We got the it just sitting on that pivot. What's gonna do now?
Right now, I'm not touching it. I need more momentum. I feel like we're in this like weird little area where we're just consolidating. I thought we were getting ready to push up, but as soon as I jumped in, it came right back on me. So
Yes, I'm waiting for the orb, man. Come on, get the orb.
but the way it's looking, I feel like we may come down, try touching that pivot point officially, but we'll see.
You're saying on mine it looks like it touched at 6608.
On mine, we didn't touch it, but we were like a hair off of it. We were a hair off of it there.
What do you know
on
about
mine.
hair? I see your head.
This guy.
But look at this structure for this bull flag.
Man, Moose has been working overtime on that head.
Something like that. Something like that.
It looks good. It looks good.
It does. I mean, he looks tight. I mean, you know what I mean?
But I gotta give him credit. This last one he did himself for Thanksgiving.
Thank
It
you.
looks good. It looks good.
He did it himself.
I just shaved the top. I will never touch my beard because I'm not trying to mess that up, but I will shave my head from time to time, depending upon what's going on and when I'm seeing Mr. Moose.
But they were shooting. No, not yet.
No, I'm just waiting because we just gotta build out this momentum here.
It's a whole lot of nothing right now, just like
Yep.
consolidation. It's in that channel. Like I have a vertical line where those two candles topped out, like around like 601, 602. It's not, you know. I want to see stuff punch through there, start moving.
Yeah, look, it's coming back down. There's
No, we're going up.
Yeah, but I mean, it retraced. That's what I'm saying. Sorry.
The retracement is in the house.
At 52. So I want to jump in now. Nah. Where's my hour? Where's my 4 hour? 4 hours pretty high. Chill out for a little bit. You know what else? I realized I was like playing with my mind was I kept looking at the 1 minute because it's on my bigger screen, right?
Okay.
And not to blame anybody, of course, you know. But I kept looking at the 1 minute, and you know, with the 1 minute wicks, I mean the 1 minute candle bodies, they look long. They look like, oh shoot, it's doing something, right? And I'm like, oh, did I miss? And I jump in, obviously knowing it's a minute, but not registering it as I'm doing it. You feel me?
That's Aggie. That's Aggie.
Yeah, and looking at the bigger time frames, though.
I just pissed myself off right there.
What did you do?
Well, I took a trade. Thought we had some momentum getting ready to push up. It did not push up, gentlemen. It did not push up.
I went through the 1 minute EMA, tested the pivot.
That sucks, right? Yo, I know the feeling.
I'm not.
I would have punched all my screens.
No,
You better not.
never that.
I was so mad. I'm telling you, I've been an entire day yesterday. I was just pissed. I was mad. I was like, why, bro? Why?
We're literally just in this. We're in this zone right here, right? But I don't like how it just pulled back the way it just did.
Well, that could it be setting it up for a bear flag on a 2 minute if it holds?
Possibly yes.
Go back the other direction, you know, kind of like we crested. Remember, as long as you got momentum, you're happy. And right.
Oh, as long as we get the momentum, you are right. I'm extremely happy. Come on, market, give us something here. We're just twiddling our thumbs.
And we're about 5 minutes away from 10 o'clock. Just calling that out.
Good call out, Steve. Good call out, sir.
Because it's like one of those things. If it's diddling and it's like nobody's looking at the clock, and it's
Yep.
Ooh.
And then people get caught.
Diddle in the middle. What is it?
All right, so we're coming down to this pivot.
I'm excited for G, man. He's gonna get funded twice.
Let's go. Let's go, G.
I just need like 6 something for my 600 something to get the funding for this.
Okay.
You got it. That's yours, man. You got it. You're gonna kill it.
All right, little push up.
I feel like we're doing a bear flag on the 2 minute right there, but we're above this pivot. I want to get through this pivot though.
Well, I see a bear flag on the 1 minute for that's where I know that's not as exciting for you, but even on the 5 minute if it holds. What is the middle of this range while we're kind of waiting, if you don't mind, because it's such a big range?
The middle of the range currently is at 542.25. 542.25 is the middle for the 15-minute range.
Because let's go. Start the fuck out there, huh?
Woody, as long as we have the momentum to the upside, it'll be a solid bull flag, but we're starting to see some like bearish tendencies on like the 2 minute, the 1 minute. So we may be trying to actually build out a small bear flag here above this pivot. We're going to see what we get. Right now it's just chopping. Choppy, chop, chop.
Somebody tap, tap.
It could chop, but we're not going to get chopped. See, that's what it is.
Yeah, we're waiting.
Oh, you can drink it. I'm cool. I'm watermelon. I'm gonna cut it up. Consolidation.
Yeah, we've been consolidating since we've gotten up here.
Yes, we.
So when the move does happen, it's going to be a big move. I'll tell you that.
To the upside.
We're going to see hopefully to the upside. But every time I've tried going long, it pulled back on me. So I need to see some extra momentum for me to want to jump in.
Yeah, man. Because it's like, like where my line is, it's still kind of like heading up there and then stopping.
Tomorrow, lots of news for tomorrow, people. Lots of news. So be prepared for the market to actually move pretty well tomorrow.
And the news about the LWS, like Christmas parties coming out too.
Yep. And tomorrow we'll actually get the news from Tradeify as well about the daily payouts or the 1 day payouts. So
I heard Christmas party. Talk to me.
Yep, Steve's hosting a Christmas party.
Oh, Steve.
She's like, fuck, my ass ain't going over there.
Why not?
I'm just teasing.
Why not? You invite? I'm pulling up. Ooh, it's pulling up. It's going
pulling up. Let's get this market to go up. 99.5. Come on.
We need something. We need something. We need to get through that 600 level.
I feel like it's gonna be I want to let that bull flag form, but I'm looking at that long wick on top of that on that 2 minute. Ugh.
Well, when it it almost touched that whole number, and it was just like, eh.
No, it is. It's going to go right back down.
Okay, well, 10 o'clock is coming in 5 seconds.
Yeah, we keep stalling at the 600 level as well. So let's see if we finally punch through it.
Let's see if it shoots up. Oh, shooting up a bit. Let's go.
I probably want to get to like 610 for me actually want to take it long here, because
Okay.
we keep jumping into the 600s, then we fall right back. So I'm not trying to get chopped.
I agree, man. That makes sense.
It's consolidating around that area right there too.
Yep.
600, 601, 602. It's gonna shoot up though. Something's gonna happen.
And when it does, I'm gonna click the button so quick. If it shoots up quick. But I gotta be able to see. Oh, there we go.
It just popped out. Is it gonna go back in that 15-minute range?
Yeah, it's gonna probably retest the high of that 15 before we continue up.
You test down a little bit, and I'm gonna jump right in. Oh boy, Duane, boy, I see your patience, boy. You patient.
That's not Duane. That's how
listen. Duane wants to jump in so bad, but he's like,
I do.
I ain't gonna lie, from where it was, from the 600, it's up 30 something right now. 37 points. Hey, Moose, you jumped in it?
No, not yet.
Oh, we got that first target up there, up at 683. 683 air. Well, 684 flat is the first target. I just want a solid flag.
Until you see a flag, that's when you're gonna make a move.
Well, there are opportunities to take a quick scalp with the momentum.
I'd rather just wait for the flag.
Exactly.
Everybody's like, it's like the voice of my, like a pastor long ago saying, "Son, rest." That's not Duane on the screen. That's actually a picture he taped over the camera. He's actually trading like a maniac.
BPK, what's up, brother? Welcome. Hopefully you're having a good morning over there in Texas. Come on, Betsy. Build us our flag. It wants to.
Well, 1 minute you got, I know 1 minute is 1 minute, but 1 minute you have the start of something.
Then we jump over. Yeah. Definitely have the start to that bull flag on the 1 minute.
Now, I'm going to quote Duane here. I'd like to see it on a higher time frame. But
the higher time frames, they just pay more. 37. Yeah, that's cold, brother. That's cold.
What? 32.
Hey, up 2K. We'll gladly take that, sir. Great job. The streak still continues, BPK. That's 13 days straight, sir. Keep it up. I wonder if VJ's going to jump in here.
On the what? Sale?
No. I'm talking to BPK in the chat.
Oh. Well, he better not get on no.
No, he's up 2K a day.
Oh, he probably jumped in early on then.
Well, tomorrow will make 14, sir. So keep it up. You gotta go for you gotta get to 30. That 30 day. That'd be crazy.
Let's see. So, are you happy with where your doodle placement is on the cement?
I am happy. I'm just like mad that I haven't been able to get a good entry yet.
Well, you know, but the Duane that I know said that the market will always repeat itself.
Oh, 100%.
Not pushing that high yet. Got to break through that 46.
It's playing. I don't like the momentum right here.
The only reason I haven't jumped in is because the 30 and the 1 hour candle have no wick at the bottom.
Yeah.
So it tells me
I closed out. Thank God I did, because I did size up here just for the scalp. And it's not. I don't like that momentum right there, or the lack of the momentum needed. Because it keeps like just playing up here at this high. So for me personally, I want to see us like with some strong momentum here to the upside, since we do have that target up there at the 684.
Yeah, that 646 area is just kind of like, meh. Keep my mind off trading. I'm looking at your doodle.
Look at where we got to look at right now, because
well, your doodle is not very accurate because it's already through the doodle. So you,
but it's not fully through it, Steve. If you actually look at it, just saying.
You are being you're being difficult.
BPK, that's awesome. Copy trading does work for some people. For me personally, I'm not big on it, because if you do take a bad trade, you took a bad trade on 5 accounts, 6 accounts. So for me, I just rotate the accounts. It's a little bit safer for the way I trade.
Go on up, baby.
Okay. Yeah, I rotate like 8 50Ks.
The volume just shot up through the. That's interesting.
Stuck there. Each time it gets to that area, we go right back down.
Yeah. But it was like there was like an explosive amount of volume like 15 seconds ago, and then it was like settled. Like, what was that?
That 650. Okay.
I still like that 684 level, but I need to have some like good momentum. Like, I don't like how it's been consolidating. Like, we push up a little bit, then we consolidate for quite a bit. I want a rocket ship. I need a rocket ship right now.
But the good thing is that 5-minute candle is going to close in less than a minute, and maybe that will be the one that we take to the moon.
We'll see. From your lips to God's ears, Steve.
Amen.
We got that big old wick on top of that candle right now in the 2 minute, showing selling pressure.
So we were camping, as you know, and we're walking around the park, and then like the whitest people in the world like showed up, and they're like, "Sir, can we talk to you about Jesus Christ and ask if you could come? Would you like to come worship with us?" And then my wife is pulling my sleeve because usually I'll be like, "My name is written in the Lamb's Book of Life."
That's crazy.
Like,
Yeah, I'm sorry. If we're camping, people walk. I'm not thinking they're getting ready to ask about Jesus.
But the thing is, like, I wouldn't go to a church that white. You know what I mean? Like,
And just so everyone on the stream knows, Steve is actually white. Oh.
yes. There's no. A white person can talk shit about white people. Okay? But that was so white that I felt like they're gonna we'll give you a free jar of mayonnaise. It's like, no.
A free jar. That's crazy.
Crazy. Oh, I see it's starting to come down now.
I'm just not liking this momentum or the lack of the momentum. To be real.
What momentum? It's almost like it needs to regroup and do something else. I'm gonna go back in that 15-minute range.
Yep, there's that 15-minute range tab right there.
Maybe it'll hit that and then shoot back up.
All right, so we pushed into that 15-minute range once again. We're still above it currently, but now let's see what we get.
Well, that could be the engine that we need to go somewhere.
Yep. Are we getting ready to build a little bear flag? But I don't like that pole. I don't like that pole for the bear flag currently because we got a lot of wick on it.
Oh yeah, man, look at that.
And then looking at the 5 minute, look at that wick for that buying pressure.
Oh yeah, well, and then where that 2 minute pull ended was it's like I drew a vertical line, and it was on the two main candles after the open, and it stopped right there. So there's something right at that point. Wait, let me read it. Like at 6:03 area, it literally stopped on that dime.
Okay.
And I've had that same wick since like 9:45. I mean the same line.
Yeah.
So it just kind of like below the range, but it's like where the candles are getting chopped.
Let's go, market. Want to make some money today. I think we all want to make some money, but the way the market's moving right now, unless you're BPK just killing it, 13 days straight green. Like, gotta have patience. Gotta have patience. We got that crazy wick on that 5. I feel like the market makers, they want to trap people right now. They want to trap people. We got 10 seconds, 10 seconds for a new candle on the 5, just so everyone's aware.
Come on, what's the next move, Duane? I'm relying on you for this.
Don't rely on me.
Hey, look. Listen here, jive turkey.
Right now, we just need momentum.
I'm not doing anything right now. It's not worth it. In fact, looking where those candles are topping on that 5-minute chart tells me enough.
Yeah.
At this point, I'm just waiting for a retracement. Like a 15-minute retracement.
Yeah, it either needs a retrace or it needs to take a shot at the moon.
Yeah, because it's consolidated too much.
Moose, no yawning, please.
No yawning, no yawning.
As the great one said, this is like watching paint dry.
I think this is worse than watching paint dry, to be honest with you. Because at least when you're watching paint dry, you can get high off the fumes. You know what I'm saying?
What the hell are you painting? Mr. Huffer over there? Come on, let's go, let's go. And that's interesting too. After this 2-minute candle ends, the world is gonna move again.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
No yawning, sir.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
I may have to send you to the VIP room for that.
The VIP room. That's funny. Like when you sent that guy.
Yep.
VIP room.
Oh, the VIP room also. Never could be on stream again.
Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do? Gonna make some money. I'm green in all my accounts, but I need to.
Oh, that's awesome. Good job, Steve.
Well, I need to get some. I want some juice.
Just got a slow stop out right there. That was so slow. I may just be done trading for a day, personally, because this isn't moving whatsoever.
You know, we're also in December. That also the market's very slow at this time of year.
It's not about that. It's just one of those things for me. Haven't been getting the movement that I wanted. And off subject moves. Just so you know, yesterday one of my accounts, don't ask me how, I made $8.16.
No way.
Just so you know.
Shit.
Yeah, you can buy a school lunch with that.
Watch it go deeper. See? That's that. Shit, I'm talking about.
You're on the Domino's app. Hey, can I get an extra layer of pepperoni? How much is that? $8.16. Sold.
So.
Nice, Woody. I'm over here on the NQ.
Yeah.
NQ in the house.
The NQ.
News. It's 10:19, and we haven't done jack.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Typically, either we blow accounts or we're making money at this time already, and we haven't done nothing.
Well, I took a couple stabs at it, and it was like, it wasn't like a fast stop out, right? It was like the slow because there was no direction yet.
Yeah.
So it's like,
Look at it now. Look what it's doing now.
Look.
we got the 21 EMA coming up. Getting ready to tap it. It's at the 607 level.
It's gonna hit the 5-minute EMA. Please.
You know what?
Go under.
We gotta go. I can't go higher actually on this. Disappointing.
Please hit the 5-minute EMA. Go under.
Okay, we're getting into the top of that 15-minute range. We're gonna go a little lower, get a little higher.
We did not touch the 21 EMA. We did
have
pull
not
back
touched
into the 15,
You do not.
but
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Keep your hands to yourself. All right, let's go.
because like even that pullback, I feel like was just slow.
Don't trade on Valium.
All right, there's the 21 EMA touch.
You have a black screen. I don't know if that's
My bad.
something you want.
I did not want a black screen. Thank you, Steve.
It's like it's trading with the CIA channel. I made a trade. Well, I can't see it. All right.
Thank you for letting me know that because I would just been sitting here. What happened? Well, Woody, nothing happened. Market's not doing much. It had the huge push up for the open, and it's just been chilling ever since.
Chilling like a villain.
And even if you want to do like a momentum scalp, you can't even do that because there's not much momentum.
Momentum. That's my favorite Soul Music song. Momentum Scout.
All right. Let's see if we're going to lose this 21 EMA. Well, I want if I'm trying to take it short, I want to get below the 600s. Because we know with those whole numbers, they act as just weird places to get in. Come on, baby. I need something here. I want something before 11 because that's when I got to get off. I got to get to the gym before the crowd gets there because I got a meeting today that I had to go to. So, I want to get to the gym before I have to prepare for a meeting.
Got to walk in big and intimidated, swollen.
Not swollen. That's crazy. I'm not bloated, sir. That's crazy. You're swollen.
You're just big. You're just a big.
No, yeah, you don't want to walk
You're
in
gonna
with
give me
a
the
front.
contract. Like,
He's gonna be like doing all the bicep work right before he walks in. 3, 2, 1. No, I'm gonna do.
Now I'll do some push-ups in the parking lot before I had to walk in. You know what I'm saying? Get the blood flowing. And they'll be like, "Oh, was that you in the parking lot doing push-ups?" Literally, I put a line on this 5-minute chart, probably like, I forget when, at 10 o'clock. We're still sitting around it. So that lets you know how well the market's moving today. Come on, Betsy. Give us something. Like, I know beggars can't be choosers, but
We don't beg. We're God's chosen, causing commotion.
I like that. I like that, Steve.
I think I'm just gonna wait till this 30-minute closes, and then see where we go from there.
I'm getting ready to just YOLO. 35 contracts deep, one scalp. Do we pass? Do we blow?
Right? Like.
And with the 35 contracts he closed, it's like you made $8.16.
Which would be crazy. That would just be crazy.
But you know, but the fees were like 7,000. So
That's it. That's
You know what's gonna happen? We're just gonna stare at the screen, and it's gonna creep up little by little, and it's gonna touch the zone. We're gonna be like, damn it, damn it!
gonna happen?
How to sneak up there?
But it's gonna be like everything's gonna close out, and then like in 10 minutes it'll be like the biggest run in history.
That'd be crazy.
I brought it right here.
That'd be crazy.
Well, yesterday, I mean, it was like I popped on and it was just like, you know, just because it was running in the background, I didn't even close it. I had my browser up on, and it was just like it was moving throughout the day. You know, like you have these big transitory candles. The new zone.
I just tried a YOLO on an eval. I switched from the funded. I didn't close out. Just got stopped out once again. I think. I don't know. I may need to stop trading because I keep getting stopped out because I'm trying to trade this chop. That's never good.
Why don't you put your eval on and do like 20 contracts and see what happens?
The way it's moving, it's what Tradeify, so I couldn't trade 20 contracts even if I wanted to, sadly, on one account.
But you, even on your eval, you can't go that high?
No. You can only trade 4 contracts on the 50K.
I didn't know the sim was directly supposed to be a 50K.
Yep, so 50K, you can only trade 4 contracts. 100K, I believe you could trade like 6 to 8, I believe.
Yeah, but you have this sim and you trade like 10 contracts.
And then the 150K you could trade, I believe, is it like 10 or 12? Now you have me want to actually go check.
Well, you did it one time. We were all laughing about it.
Let's see.
It's better than you than me because.
Yep. So on the 50K 4 contracts, 100K 8 contracts, 150K 12. I may actually think about switching over to the 150Ks because trailing max drawdown $5,000, profit target 9,000, but you have so many more contracts you can trade with. Coming right back down to the high of this 15-minute range once again, people. Excuse me. We're below the 21 EMA.
All I hear is G say, look at that shit.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Oh, man.
Look at that shit. Gee, you look very excited.
Oh, yeah, I'm fine. I'm chilling.
Yo, we all feel.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We can see G today.
Yeah, I know, right?
I'm looking at the charts. I'm not looking at the zooms.
We almost forgot what G looked like.
Oh, I didn't forget what G looked like.
Ooh, a bando.
A bando. You got a bando ready? Stop playing.
1690. But I thought I'm on my sim.
All right, we're starting our waterfall down to this pivot point. There's the pivot point. We almost tapped it. We did not touch it.
What the 3G?
Let's see. All right. We still didn't tap it. It's like right there too. Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Betsy.
All right, so we almost tapped that pivot, but we did not.
I'm telling you, on mine it's tapped the pivot.
Oh,
Are we all right? There's the pivot tab officially,
Whoa.
Oh, my lenta.
and this thing's just losing itself right now. Look at that. We got the VWAP currently below us at pretty much the 526.50 area. 526.50.
The Ninja Renko is like a show volume on mine, and it like the volume just exploded. Like the,
Yeah.
Like the lines got very like the indicators got big.
Right back above that pivot point. All right, we're starting to get some movement, so that's good. It's 10:30, so that's why we probably got some movement because that 10:30 finally hit.
Finally, I thought it was like 10:30 at night at this point. Have you been off the computer all day? No, me and the guys have been trading.
All right, retesting that pivot once again.
That candle that went right through the middle of the diddle of the fiddle.
Once we get some momentum below this pivot, I'll probably take a short. What I want to see is lose this pivot.
It hurt you. It's like, nah, I'm good. Dark candle.
Market makers are listening to the stream. They're listening. They heard me say I want to go short if we get below this pivot with some momentum. And they're like, we got to hold the price up. Tapping that pivot once again. Come on, Betsy. Take us lower. Take us lower, baby.
Seriously.
340 on that quick little trade right there. We're dancing too much right by this pivot. I don't like the dance. I don't like dancing at the pivot point. Let's see if I get another entry here.
Remember, we're getting near the middle of the 15-minute range, Dwayne.
Yep. I got eyes on it.
Because remember, so there's something that happens there that we don't do.
Yeah, we don't diddle in the middle. But now, what I want to see, I want to get below this previous candle's wick and build out another bear flag. All right, almost tapped the VWAP right there.
Tap in the VWAP.
Let's see if we build out a bear flag. Because the one thing the market always does, it always repeats itself. So if you're using flags, if you don't catch the first one, that's okay. It's going to do it again. Perks of trading this way. We're sitting right above the middle of the 15-minute range, so do not diddle in the middle.
Yo, I just gave myself a speech because I didn't know I was muted. I want to see this 15 close below the EMA for me to confirm that it'll go down below my 9.
Yeah.
And obviously the VWAP too, because it's so close.
Yeah, the VWAP's right there. Right below 530. Yeah, that's 528 for the VWAP.
527.87 on the on Ninja, sir.
On the trading view, it's at 528.
Well, that's on a 2-minute, but that's the order flow VWAP.
Well, I want to see us get a little bit more push for the bulls right now, so that way we could build out another bear flag. Let's see what we got going on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, looking like a more structure of a little bear flag, but that is on the 1 minute.
Oh, cool. Alexa, tower fan off.
Alexa, make the market go down.
All right. For real.
Wish it was that simple, right? You know what I'm saying? Like,
oh, for real.
we're right above the middle of this 15-minute range. It's taking everything in me not to take a trade in the middle. And I remind myself, we don't diddle in the middle.
That's right. Oh, I see what he did. That's so wise.
You saw that, right, Steve? You saw that. You know what I'm saying?
He's like calibrating his risk. So it's like, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna just kick it over a skosh.
Oh, sounds like it's raining over here.
It was raining.
Oh yeah,
over
it's
here.
definitely raining.
Yeah, over here it was definitely raining. Not heavy rain, but kind of like just kind of a drizzly kind of thing.
I was prepared the last night during my stream. I'm like, you know what? Let me check the weather. It said it was supposed to rain, so I moved all my cushions, everything off the patio furniture so it wouldn't get wet. Come on, baby. Give us something. Give us something, please. So we got some structure here. We got some structure on the 2 minute.
What is your gut telling you, Uncle Duane?
Don't trade the middle. That's what my gut's telling me right now. Do not trade the middle of the 15-minute range. But I see this bear flag. But we need more sellers to step in here. And we keep inching closer and closer to that pivot. So I'm like, I don't even want to take a short right here because we got the pivot point. Woo-saw, Duane. Woo-saw.
Yeah, little by little.
And there's that pivot. You know what I'm saying? Let's drink. Let's drink.
And then,
The market got your boy drinking.
We're gonna hear G go, oh. Yeah, you know what's funny? I realized we all have our little things. Like sucker. Oh.
Question: what's
like,
my thing?
Huh?
What's my thing? Everyone, what's mine? Because I don't know what's mine. What mine would be.
Well, like he's like, well, we're grabbing onto the wall, and me, I'm like, I'm always looking for retracements.
Hey, I have not grabbed the wall once today. Okay.
No, I think the wall is further out today.
He moved his chair 1 foot over, so he indeed could not.
On you. Listen, for the first time in a long time, I'm like sticking to my rules.
That's good.
Yeah, for sure. Like
That's
right
called
now,
progress.
I feel good. Like, you know, not making much because I'm not chasing it, but I feel better in the sense that I don't feel regretful right now.
Yeah.
Because like I said, it's not that I don't know what I'm doing. It's just I gotta stop chasing.
But I mean, it's
Gotta
like,
have rules, man. Gotta have
well,
rules.
on the surface of it, it's deceptively simple. But it's like one of those
But
things. Like once you put the human aspect in it, that's why a vast majority of people can't do it.
yeah, for sure. It's really not the trading. It's the discipline, Dan.
Yep, that's
Oh, we're going up.
100%.
Gee, we're going up.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's the discipline is what kills you, you know? Because you're just like, wow, I made 500 that easy. Let me make another one, and then you shit yourself. The runs start kicking in. Oh my god, bubbly stomachs and all. Bubbly stomachs, sweaty palm prints, and sweaty feet.
The whole enchilada.
The whole enchilada. Yeah, exactly.
Let's go, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie.
See how this 15 closes and the target
Took a little one up to that 21 EMA there.
Do you think we're heading in a brand new direction, or you think there'll be a retrace?
I feel like we're going to try pushing back up here because we had a small bull flag here on this 2 minute. Well, I mean small, gentlemen.
Like if you look at the 1 hour candle, the current, it already touched the VWAP. I think it's gonna go up from here because the 4 hour candle went up.
That 1 hour has no body on it.
Yeah, nobody, but the
nobody.
I was gonna say
My bad.
Nobody knows.
Hold on, I'm like hesitant right now.
Woody, I'm glad you love it, brother. Glad you love it. All right, there's breaking out of the 15-minute range right there once again.
Let it retrace. Come on, come back down. What the fuck? You're getting away.
You're getting away. Come back, please. Come back.
Yeah. Yo, because the worst thing is getting in at the tip of the body. And you're just
Yeah.
like, oh, no. Yes. 1 minute retrace. Let's go.
Let's go.
Might as well wait 2 minutes. I'm already here. It's gonna close. No 15. Let's go. Let's downsize to 1.
Smart man there, people.
Yeah, because G was like, yo, you can do 4. And I was like, oh, that sounds great. Shit. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Oh, okay, I'm good. Okay. I accidentally pressed buy laughing, but I made $85.
Hey, that's a nice $85 making on a mistake. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'll take it. I'm not gonna lie, I got nervous.
at this point, I'm mainly looking for a flag. Keyword mainly.
No, I think you're right. I mean, it'd be great to get a flag so we can kind of get that support, so we don't just end up in the chop zone up above. You know, kind of get the velocity to go through all that. Great new victories.
Woody, nothing else pays for making an accidental click that he just had, so he'll definitely take it. Let me just lock in this $1,000 on this account. Let me rotate to a different one.
You're in 1,000 already?
Yeah, I already got down that little push up.
How many contracts did you take?
That was 4 contracts.
Jesus Christ.
Let me double check. All right, looks like we're building out a little bull flag up here. Which I don't mind, but up here was when the market was just like going back and forth like a horrible argument. So I'm like,
it's like the evocative, descriptive elements of this group are why I'm here. It's like two fat motherfuckers fighting over the last pork chop.
ready to go to the gym and crush back today. One of my favorite days of the week, back day.
Yeah, back day is cool.
I got to do legs today.
Okay.
I got to eat a bunch of carbs because, you get not too much, but, enough. You're tired and your legs start feeling like spaghettis.
That's the best feeling, though. When that lets you know you worked them.
Oh, for sure. Especially when you feel like throwing up.
Well, I never get to that point.
And then you get, and then you try to get off the machine and you can't, and everybody's like, "You got one more set?" Man, I could barely breathe. Give me a minute. Yo, this is not moving.
Well, it's moving, just extremely slow.
Yeah, for sure. $285. Well, 278. I'll take it.
I'm staying this one for another second or two, and then I'll close out if we start pulling back just to lock in some profits here. Trying to ride this one as far as we can ride it.
It's just too damn slow.
Yeah. If it was moving a little quicker, I would have stayed in longer. But I mean, my 278, I'm out. I'm good.
Heading up to that high, is it gonna do something?
Hopefully. Because I'm
lose
still
that
in
high,
it.
It's
I'm
gonna
still
hit.
in it, boys. I'm holding. I'm waiting. I should lock in the profits, though.
What are you in?
I'm in a long right now. I'm holding the microphone instead of the wall.
You're like MC Duane over there. Like,
I closed out 920. Only 920 on that one.
That's good. Good. 920 is better.
But then it keeps going.
It's okay.
haven't-
Listen, I got 278, bro. I got 278 off of one contract.
And then, not the new highs.
You can always get back in, you monster.
That I can.
Don't get the people at home confused as to what's really going on.
Let's see.
Where's it going if it loses its high?
I'm just locking this 920 in on this one. I'm rotating to the next one before I even look here.
Just don't take all day like last time. Get on your next account and tell us where we're going.
I got you. Where's the account? Alrighty. Well, we still got that 684 up there. 684 was the first target.
Oh man. To think I should have stayed in also.
Hey, you're locking it in. You're
Yep.
dropping it in. You're clocking it in.
Yep. Listen, it is what it is. I'm
Look,
good.
I can tell that that Moose's words to himself today are going to be a lot more celebratory.
Yes, absolutely, for sure. Because yesterday, I'm not even kidding. Like, I was hot. I was livid yesterday.
We've all been there. That's the cool thing about this. You're not alone. We've all had days when we want to kick ourselves.
Kick myself.
I just scratched on that trade right there, which is crazy. Closed out $100, got nothing. So I just lost money because I gotta pay fees.
Well, on mine, there was one where I was up 60, and when I closed out, it took 50 cents off of my current balance. So I was like, my goodness.
We got 8 minutes for 11 o'clock. I'll be getting off at 11 today, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Your boy has to get to the gym before I go to this meeting today. So.
Well, it looks like on the 1 minute, since we're getting into the it looks like it's building something bullish, and then maybe on the 2 minutes, so maybe I'll just give you that nice chef's kiss, just end your day.
That'd be nice because the day started pretty rocky.
I know.
And I'm not talking about Rocky Balboa either. I'm just saying it started just chopping on me.
I am determined to pass this and really get funded because, like, I mean, make it a payout. I've done this like 6 times already.
I want all you guys to get payouts this month.
Yeah, I'm like.
So what do I need to do to help you all get payouts this month from Tradeify?
Base hits. That's what we need to do. Base hits.
I know. I just like I am looking forward to some of those trainings. Like for me, it'd be like momentum and entry, just because. Like I always feel like I hold out like an extra second, and then that negates like on shorter trades. You end up hitting like the retracement, as Moose likes to say.
So you guys want to train you on the momentum?
Well,
how you use that for your entries?
Entry. I would do like momentum and entry as like a double kind of thing.
Okay.
Just like what, because like you were telling me like where you look on the chart and stuff. So I mean, it's just about like digesting your feel of it and and kind of imparting that. So
yeah, okay, we could definitely do that.
And then also, I mean, as a secondary thing, I definitely want to be able to figure out how to set up the trading view so it's Tradeify, so it's not just like so it actually has some kind of a it doesn't look like a science experiment graph.
Yeah, listen, trading view is so much cleaner, man. So much cleaner.
He was talking about Tradeivate.
Yeah, but he has to put Tradeivate on trading view.
Yes, but he's talking about actually trading on Tradeivate, not trading view though.
Okay.
Well, what I want to do is have that as a backup, so if I'm traveling or whatever, it's just kind of like.
Look at that big old wick on that candle on that 5 minute.
Yes. And it's only got 20 seconds to go, so let's see what this next one does.
This 5 minutes gonna. Oh, look at that. It's down though. Open up bearish, bullish, and come down bearish. There you go. Five more minutes, guys.
Yeah, 5 more minutes till 11 o'clock.
I gotta
11 o'clock on the dot. Cruising in my. Oh, my bad. My bad. Sorry about that, gentlemen.
It'll be all right.
I got
Oh, I know it'll be all right.
that's waiting for me. They don't make songs like that no more.
No, like Moose is like cruising in a 6'4".
Yeah. I'm gonna work out right now.
Go push some weight, sir. Go push some weight.
Yeah. Like Steve said, today's gonna be a better talk with myself.
Oh, 100%.
You know. But 2 minutes consolidating. Probably gonna drop a little bit.
Oh, I want that account, actually. Where's that one out?
But remember, if you guys stay on trading, the market will move around 11:30. 11.
I think all the main crew is gonna split because I've learned that lesson. Just get in, get out.
Yeah.
And don't sit around, because when you sit around, it makes you want to jump in the markets.
Well, and then even if you're just sitting and you're looking at the market, your brain turns into Play-Doh after like 4 hours of stuff. Like, it's like, okay, I just need to step on to the next. Like, I was gonna work out, I was gonna do this, but instead.
Ugh. Edit some videos a day.
If you're gonna budget a voiceover, you're gonna match it.
Yeah, that was a quick little thing I did, and after I played back the footage, like on YouTube, I saw that the voiceover was low.
Well, it's low, but you can always put like a dissolve on that audio to bring it up, and you can always like sweeten it up, add a little reverb, because you're obviously in these like cavernous areas where you're talking, and if she starts talking and you match your audio to your shot, because you're in like a big hallway, and all of a sudden it goes flat, so it pulls people's minds right out of the shot.
Yeah.
So add just a little juice to it, little bit of reverb, nothing crazy. Do it up, and then it does, because it does have to match at that point. You just don't want it to jar, because you want to keep people like immersed.
So on the 2 minute.
Oh, he's changing the subject. I'm giving.
No,
This is
well,
like,
no, I'm not, Steve. I'm not changing the subject, sir. Listen, Linda. All right, listen. Okay, are you listening, sir?
I am.
I am not a professional editor. You know what I'm saying? I don't have the gift that you have, sir. Okay, like, you know how to do the reverb, like dissolve it in, bring it up. Listen, I'm lucky just to get a video out.
No, I'm gonna set up my rig. I do have like the basic stuff on there, but like I'll set up my rig and then I'll give it a whirl for you.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just doing what I can at this point.
I'm not cutting it apart. I'm just giving you practical tips. Is all. You know.
No. I get that, Steve. I'm just one of those things where
it's like from a position of respect. Don't put
Seaman.
me in the VIP room, sucker.
Sucker. Where's G?
Well, looks like someone's trying to get sent to the VIP room, because I don't know why you're coming in spamming the chat, but it's okay. I got you covered. Hey, buddy, I got you covered. Okay, you're going to be going to the VIP room.
We're only very important people. Very important pendejos go. What do they do?
How can I?
I love it.
No, he's just spamming the chat here.
Oh no, I can't do that.
You know what I'm saying? Spamming the chat.
Yeah. That is not welcomed over here.
In my issue, yeah, you're spamming, bud. It's okay. And what you're spamming is stupid, anyways. Like, you're just trying to come in here and change our vibe, which I don't appreciate. All right, I'm making you a VIP user, okay? Seaman, you're welcome. Congratulations.
Oh, VIP user. I love it. He's like, where? Put me in.
Yeah, it's special
Put me
group.
in. Put me in, coach. That's funny.
Man, if this flag pays on that 2-minute and the 5-minute, then Dwayne's gonna be buying some extra weights to put on that bar today. Come on, let's go.
All right, back to the charts. I was sending people to that VIP. Look at that wick. Look at that wick right there. Tons of buying pressure. Is this going to be the ultimate long here? YouTube needs to tighten up here because it's not showing me my chat.
Are you still having an issue with the app not showing all the inputs?
It's one of those things where on YouTube's actual platform, sometimes the chat won't pop up.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's not popping up on. I have the chat through like extra software that I have,
Yeah,
but it's making it where I can't send certain people to the VIP room right now. You know what I'm saying? That's slightly frustrating. Let me see if I can do it this way.
Want to go to the VIP room? Sure, sounds great.
Hey, where's everybody else at?
You're exclusively there. That's funny. Wayne is like, I'm gonna make you a VIP. What is it, VIP member? That's hilarious.
There we go. Ah! Officially sent to the VIP room.
Right now, he's like, wow, it's dark in here. Where's everybody
So,
at?
yeah, you know what I'm saying? Finally got it where he's in the VIP room. So, we're good now, people. We're good now. Imperfect. And automatically took his stuff off as well, so we'll take it. Just so stupid. Like, people need to, like, I don't get certain people sometimes, but it is what it is. Back to the charts here. It's 11:04.
Let's watch this one move and stop. But you know what I found is there's too many people that've grown up in front of a keyboard, so they don't actually like know what it's like to be in the world. But I guess that's because I'm the elder man of the group. Like, you know what I mean? But because there's people that talk smack to me online, and it's just like, you wouldn't do that to my face.
Definitely not.
They wouldn't. Everybody's tough behind the keyboard.
Oh yeah. It's like, you know what? Yeah, no.
Gotta love it. Gotta love it. But hey, I'm all for it. Like last night had a great listen. This week I'm having a poolside traders hangout every night this week.
Nice.
I take pretty much my setup from up here. We put it downstairs at the pool, and we just vibe up. Last night had someone come into the chat, loved it. It was great. It was a really good conversation because, like I've always told people on these streams, like there's tons of different ways to trade. I just trade the way that I've learned that works for me. You know what I'm saying? So find something that works for you and just do it that way. That's my mindset. I don't care if you trade our way or trade a different way. As long as you're being consistent, that's all that matters at this for all of us. And he was coming, oh, you're lying to the people. Mind you, I'm not trading last night. I'm calling out bear flags, right? And every bear flag paid.
Yeah.
And he's like, oh, it doesn't work. I'm like, dude, what else do you want? Like, I just called it out minutes before the play happened, and you're saying I'm lying to the people. Like, and it was someone that's been trading for 14 years.
Well, yeah, I mean, if anything, they're threatened because you can come in and there's a system. There's a lot of gatekeepers, you know what I mean?
There are a lot of gatekeepers, and for me, gatekeeping doesn't help people at the end of the day.
But I mean, there's gatekeepers over stupid things. Like, you know, like I have a smoker, so I was like, and you know how I cook, the scale I cook, and I go to certain groups, and there's people on there saying, well, if you don't have a Traeger or a green egg, you're not smoking meat. And it's like, if you're gonna hide behind that shit, it's like, you know, it's like, and then, you know, it's like people, you know, it's like, shut up, you know what I mean? It's just like, let the proof be in the pudding. You know, if you gotta hide behind a brand name and that's your identity, then you suck.
Yeah.
Steve, next time you just show him that nice, pretty knife you sold us. Like, hey, I don't do what? Right. Oh shit! Are you threatening? No, I promise.
Yep, Woody's right. Last night he called one out too. Woody's in the community as well. He called out a flag last night on the live stream.
Oh, nice, Woody.
And that bad boy paid if people were trading it.
It would be brilliant is if there's a flag that paid right now.
I'm done trading. Like,
and I'm done trading, but I'm anticipating.
I got a couple more minutes on here just talking with you guys, but your boy's done.
Oh, if there's a waterfall, I'm gonna see that hand hit that mouse so quick it's gonna blow it into the next century.
Maybe.
Oh, it's like a 200-point drop. He's like, out of principle, I said I was done. Well, you'd ask for forgiveness after that.
Yeah, if it's a 200-point drop, I'm all up in there.
Look at that doji candle on that previous close of that 2-minute. We're changing direction. We're going down. Let's go.
We're below the 21. We're back into the 15.
Look at the way that 2 closed though. That's doji, right? Was it
Yep.
Yep.
Doji, yep.
Well, we could be building out a bear flag right here.
That's what I'm saying. And this one's gonna pay the mother of all monies.
Look at the 5 right here. It's going above the 9.
Woody sees it. That's all I know. I know Woody sees it.
He sees everything.
Okay, that's a little scary. Like, is he actually looking at? Like, I didn't brush my hair this morning. Moose doesn't comment on that. I'm sorry, Moose. I was just a joke.
No, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. I was sending out a text. Say it again.
I was just saying I didn't brush my hair this morning, and then it was like the barber got silent. It's like, man, hair...
Somebody asked me yesterday, like, they were like, "Oh, you cut hair?" Yeah. I was like, "But are you good?" I'm like, "No, I'm terrible."
That's awesome.
I suck. She's like, "Oh."
Yeah, it's like I get bad haircuts, though. You know what I mean?
She was like, "My kids need a haircut." I'm like, "Oh, that's cool, man."
That's cool, man.
That's cool.
I accidentally just did a double click.
Oh shoot!
But it's okay. It's okay.
in which direction?
Well, I went for a sell.
Uh-huh.
Let's see if this pays or not. Feel like we're getting ready. Yep.
Yo, what the
Just
hell?
got stopped out there.
This guy just ripped it.
But it's
Nasty.
the market's coming down, boys. The market's coming down. If I didn't double click, you know what? Bump that. Let me jump over to that one account because this thing about a pay. And I gotta hurry up too. Ah, where's the account?
It's going back to that pivot point.
All right, there we go. Cool. All right. Oh, put it back on the screen. All right, so right now, I want to see a bear flag. I want to see a bear flag because the way this thing just started coming. She's heavy, boy. She's heavy.
It's a big girl, huh?
That pivot point's calling.
I made a trade and I realized I was in micros, so it was.
That's fine. Something. As long
I
as it
know,
goes our
but
way.
Oh, I know, it's fine. You know, it was just funny because it's like, oh, it's going up in 50-cent increments. I mean, it's still green, but it's just like, I'm good. But it's just, when you're expecting it to take off and they're like, come on, Bessie.
Hey, it's your direction. That's a good way. We got it. Come on. See, this is why I don't want to.
That's crazy. It just reject. All right, come on. Let's see if we get it here.
It's going to build a flag just for one quick minute, and it's going to keep going right down to that VWAP.
Woo!
Close out the pivot right there. That pivot
330.
touch.
I'm up 540, baby. I'm done. Goodbye. I'm done. This is what happens. I get excited and I jump in.
We got the VWAP next. We got the VWAP next below us.
I'm done.
547.50.
547.47.
All right, we're in the ballpark, see. We're in the ballpark.
Oh, it just cleared that distance in 1 second.
Shoot, you saw that? That split right there? That's VWAP.
Like, I didn't even have a chance to get in on that. By the end of the sentence, it was there. It's like...
I said it's heavy. She was looking heavy. I want to get through the middle of the 15-minute range now. Let's get through the middle of this 15.
Oh, shit.
All right, we're through the middle of the 15 right there. We have not retested the lows of this 15-minute range. I want a flag right here. I want a flag.
All right. I'm hesitant because it's about to touch my 9 EMA on the hour. That's what I'm hesitant about.
I'm hesitant because we're tapping the middle of the 15-minute range right now.
Yes, that too.
You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't want to diddle in the middle.
No.
Nope.
But she's looking heavy. I want a flag. I want a flag here. The momentum showing that it's heavy right now. Let's see if we get a flag down here. I'm all for a flag right now. I want the flag to stay below the middle of the 15-minute range.
He's asking for a lot, but we love him anyway.
No, don't jump in. I got excited. You see what I mean? Yo, this becomes like an addiction, bro.
Yeah, once you get bit by the trading bug, you know what I'm saying?
Like,
it's hard to shake it off.
you blow an account and you're just like, what? What am I gonna do tomorrow? I'm cool.
Well, that 1 minute's gonna close with a nice flag there.
I I got kids to feed.
Yep.
1 minute, just retrace. Just close below the VWAP.
Yep.
Literally right underneath. I think it's going to drop a little more though. Let's go to 2 minute. Oh, 2 minutes right down active. All right. Let's see.
All right, still below the VWAP. Feel like we gotta tap that VWAP to reject off of it. All right, so we did tap it there. I'm supposed to be off right now, but
I know, me too.
let's see if this flag pays.
Anything happens, I'm giving the credit to Duane. Good or bad?
Don't, no, that's not fair. Don't blame me.
No, just the other guy behind you.
Drew Mattis on TV? You can't blame him. He doesn't know you.
Let me see. Oh my god.
I want to see this flag here.
So this is gonna drop.
I told you she was looking heavy, but
Yeah.
I want to see the bear flag with the momentum for confirmation here.
The 15 closed below the 90 EMA and the VWAP.
We're pushing above that VWAP. I do not like that. I will say that. I do not like pushing above that VWAP.
That sounds a little crazy.
Looks like we just rejected. We have over a minute left on this 2 minute candle. I'm holding fast, waiting till the next candle here. We got 3 minutes left on the 5 minute.
That 30 is still not underneath the VWAP though. That's what worries me.
We keep rejecting right when we tap and push through that VWAP slightly. So still a lot of selling pressure. On that 5 minute though, we do have that wick on the bottom of that candle. So
the hour is right above the 90. I mean the hour candle is right above the VWAP. But never mind. I'm not taking this now. Nope.
I'm waiting. Going to give this like probably 5 more minutes, and then I'll get off because I do gotta get out of here.
No, notice how you went from 5, 10, 5 more minutes.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Because I want to catch this move if it happens. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, screw it. We'll just stay here till tomorrow. Oh no, my computer.
all right, we got the new candle. Do I front run it? That'd be slightly dangerous.
No, I don't want to. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm not scared. I want to get paid.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's sitting right on top of this support. Right on top of it right now. Come on, baby.
All right, added like another $400 right there. Didn't get the full momentum I wanted. That's why I closed out.
Yeah. Just needs to get out of the gravity of that VWAP and just free fall.
40 seconds. Come on. The longest 40 seconds of your life.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. Where's my man G?
Where is G?
I'm right here. I'm in it, baby. Come on, Betsy.
There he is. Now all is right with the world.
I'm in it now. Come on, Betsy.
Come on.
This 5 close below this a little support, we're good. Woo! God damn.
Go lower.
It wants to.
Yeah. Look at that freaking hour though.
Looking at his wicks at the bottom, all that.
Look, it's coming back up. Look at the hour. Look at the hour candle. It's building a nice little wick at the bottom. And it's above the VWAP. Well, almost above the VWAP. No, it's not. My bad. I take that back. It's not above the VWAP. I had to look at a different time frame. But it's definitely above the support. So that's what gets me kind of iffy. Hey, what happened to the music?
It shut off, but I'm in a trade, so I can't do both.
Oh, YOLO. Come on, YOLO.
No YOLOs. No YOLOs.
Nah. Sweaty feet and sweaty feet and sweaty palms right now.
No sweat whatsoever, people. That's Moose's thing, not mine.
It's gonna go down.
It is. Oh, look, it's going down.
Oh.
Come on, punch through. Punch through. Let's go. All the way. Take me to the promised land, baby.
Get some of that too.
Take me to the promised land.
You win? You win?
I've been in, gentlemen. I just closed out. I did close out. My hands were sweaty like Moose. I couldn't lie. We're having way too much fun right now. We're having way too much fun.
Yes, we are, guys.
Oh, I should have stayed. I should have stayed.
Yo,
I should have stayed.
all of us. Oh, shit. That was classic.
Mother. I should have stayed.
Yo, that was classic. All of us at the same time.
That was crazy.
God, mother. All right, that was weird.
What the hell is at 4:30? I closed at 2 something.
I lost internet connection there for a. Did that cord pop out?
I'm good.
Hopefully all the streams are still good. Are they still out? Yeah, they're still.
You're good? You good?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. My stuff froze for a second there. I smacked my desk so hard, the cord popped out of this little extra adapter I have up here.
Damn, yo.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
It's like I smacked the table so hard. Yo, what you trying to do over there, yo?
my bad, but we're dropping.
Yo, I'm good right now. I'm 788 in. I gotta stop.
I should probably rotate accounts. This account's on 2480.
Boy. 1170.
Make sure you put your wins in the
G,
discussion in the
leave it.
community, people.
G, don't.
No. I'm on my growth account. I'm trying to pass that.
No, that's awesome, but make sure you're putting everything in.
Oh yeah, I am.
But wait, G, you got funded on the growth, or what is it?
No, I just now got it funded now, but now I'm on my growth account now.
What was the other one? Was it a growth as well?
It was advanced.
Oh, okay. Hey, don't do what I did. Is I forgot to activate it. You pay you got to put in the difference, and then you got to activate it. And I forgot about that.
Oh wow, damn. All right.
And then the same
I'm
thing with the
personally probably going to call it quits
Yeah, I'm done.
because I don't want to mess up any of my accounts. But this drop is crazy though.
Yeah, I'm good here.
This drop is crazy. We're actually, let's see, I have way too many accounts.
Guys, let me start working out. If not, I'm
Yeah,
gonna be here.
go work out, Moose.
I'm gonna
Go,
press the wrong
go
button.
get swoles, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get swole. I have a meeting.
We had the close from yesterday, 399.75 people. 399.75 for the close from yesterday. Looks like we're filling this gap.
Yo, this is crazy. We waited a long time for this, but it was worth it.
At 11:30, I'm off. Not going to touch this again. Popping into the 15-minute range low right there. We do have that big wick on the bottom trying to form, but the Bears want to take this lower. They're trying here.
Yeah.
Target to the low side. First target is right above the close from yesterday at the 400 level. So that would be my target. Want to see a bear flag. That's just me. Want to see a bear flag. We got some consolidation right here on the Rincos. So definitely wait for the bear flag. That's trying to give us a bear flag right there. But not a big fan because there was no body on the other candle, previous candle for structure. Two more minutes for me. If the flag doesn't pay right here, oh well.
Steve, you here?
Let's see. Yeah, everyone's still here.
Yeah, I'm here. 1370 on my group account.
That's awesome.
Nice. You just made 1370 right now?
No, that's in total today.
Okay, nice. That's good.
It's going down. I want how to get two.
I want to see a strong bear flag.
Man, the structure right now, you see those bottom wicks too?
Yep. I see those bottom wicks. That's why I haven't gone short yet.
I know, man. I feel like he wants to push up.
If it does push up, it'll push up to build out that flag.
I think it's gonna be traced right now.
I literally put the line right there, and then all of a sudden it popped up. You're welcome if you were trying to go long.
You're welcome.
I'll take credit for it.
He's like, you're welcome.
As soon as I dropped the line and let go, it popped right up off of it.
Oh man, he got scared. He was allergic.
Tons of selling pressure. Tons of selling pressure down here.
Woohoo! We're right back down. Right back to the same area.
Yeah, it's just probably about to drop.
Right back to the same spot.
Look at the 30-minute candle. It closed well below.
There's that account. Because this one's going. It's heavy. It is heavy right now. I can't rotate fast enough.
Look at that. It just spread a little bit.
It just went down, yeah. It's gonna do it again.
That would have been a good 300 on 2 contracts.
So between 2 accounts today, I got stopped out on some evals. And it's still dropping. This is wild.
All right, guys. I'm out of here because if not, stupid stuff.
I'm supposed to be gone as well.
Yeah, because
Maybe I just.
do something dumb. I know I am.
Well, actually, I'll be getting off too. Let's just lock in our profits, gentlemen. Trade at your own risk at this point. We're coming down to that close from yesterday. So we're filling that gap. Took all day to do it, but we're finally doing it.
Oh, it's coming. Look at that. I closed. I signed off my account, and now it's gonna come. Damn. It's all right. No money lost is better than money lost.
Oh, 100%.
All right, guys. I'll see y'all later.
All right, brother. Have a good day.
You too.
Come on, Betsy. I did jump in on another trade right there.
Gotta love it.
Can't lie to you guys. So I do not like that little weird little move it just did.
Move, right.
That was a weird move. That'll get stopped out here.
It's gonna go back down.
There, it stopped me out, but it did some weird little move. That's okay though. Not mad about it. Still up for the day in some of my accounts, so I'll take the wins. Luis, awesome, brother. Glad you're up for the day. Glad you're up for the day. Because this is one of the growth accounts, so I got stopped out, but didn't do it right away. But it stopped me out at $1,200. But not bad. And one of the other accounts put in over $2,400, so we'll take it. With that one, now I'm getting off.
You're gonna wait for that next 15-minute candle.
No, I'm done. I gotta get off these charts.
Wait for the 30-minute candle.
No, sir. I gotta go. I gotta get to the gym.
Listen, it's been a pleasure, both of you guys.
Always a pleasure.
Let's throw a shout out to my man G.
Yep, G crushed it today. Good job, G.
That makes me so happy, man.
I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, tonight, 9:30 p.m., having the traders hang out once again. Come vibe up with us. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:20
All right.
a.m. All right. Have a good rest of your day, everyone.
All right, later.